Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I would like to talk to you about the different types of globalization that we currently see in our world. Globalization refers to the interconnectedness of countries, cultures, and economies through the exchange of goods, services, and ideas. It has been a powerful force in shaping the world we live in today. The first type of globalization that I would like to talk about is economic globalization. This type of globalization refers to the increased interdependence of countries through the exchange of goods, services, and capital. The rise of global trade and the growth of multinational corporations have led to increased economic integration between countries. This has led to both benefits and challenges for different countries and regions. Another type of globalization is cultural globalization. This refers to the spread of cultures, customs, and ideas between countries. The rise of social media, the internet, and the global travel industry has made it easier for people to learn about and experience different cultures. This has led to a greater appreciation and understanding of different cultures, but it has also led to the homogenization of cultures, where local traditions and customs are replaced by global trends and norms. Environmental globalization is another important aspect of globalization. This refers to the interconnectedness of the environment across countries and regions. Climate change, deforestation, and pollution are just a few examples of environmental issues that affect countries around the world. The effects of environmental problems are often felt by countries far from the source of the problem, and solutions require cooperation and collaboration between countries. Finally, there is technological globalization. This refers to the spread of technology and innovation across countries. The internet and social media have made it possible for people to communicate and collaborate from anywhere in the world. This has led to greater access to information and has allowed for the development of new technologies and industries. In conclusion, globalization is a complex and multifaceted phenomenon that affects countries, cultures, and economies in different ways. It is important for us to understand the different types of globalization and their effects so that we can work towards solutions that benefit everyone. Thank you.